cutest thing.
Alright, to test out the BackBone, I fired up Multiverse, which I haven't played in a very long time.
Okay,
but
try again.
I figured it would be something I can play real quick and just see how the buttons feel on the controller here. And my thoughts on it is the buttons feel like they're a little too far from the joysticks. So when you want to use, if you want to use a joystick on here and like just jumping your thumb back and forth from the D-pad to the joystick, or from, if you have to, from the other joystick to the buttons, it's a little farther than, I would say, the Razor. The Razor was the other one that I had before this. And I think the Razor also had a little bit bigger buttons, which to me felt better. These buttons are very small.
1 point for blue.
It's not super bad or anything. It's just I feel like the buttons could have been a little bit bigger and maybe a little bit closer to the joysticks. Like the D-pad could be a little closer to the joystick to make an easy transition if you have to move your thumb from one to the other.
Let's get that one.
I don't really know how other people feel about the controller like that, but if you check this BackBone out, I feel like playing just a go-through game would be better than
don't worry about
multiplayer
it.
online.
You'll get 'em next
I kept getting
time.
delays. I think that's just because of Wi-Fi. But as far as just testing this out, I think it's good. Alright, just finishing up my thoughts on the BackBone. I really think it's a good controller. I like this bridge here, like holding it tight. So one thing that the Razor, if you have a Razor for your phone, that it has just this little strap on the back. This hard BackBone here, which can extend, it really holds the phone better. It's definitely better in that sense. As far as the distance here between these two, I feel like these should be a little closer together. Like it's a kind of a big gap. It may not seem like it. I guess if you have bigger hands, it may be more comfortable. But I guess my hands are a little smaller, my fingers, so like it's a little bit more of a distance between these. You see what I'm saying there? And I feel like the buttons here are really tiny. Like, and just look at the size of my finger. And I got small hands, so like the size of my finger to the button. I feel like these buttons maybe could have been a little closer to this, and maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. That's just my thoughts on the BackBone, PlayStation BackBone. I do like this controller for playing Call of Duty Mobile. You can't use it with PUBG Mobile, but hopefully they'll open it up for you to allow you to use controller. I feel like it would be better if it can use a controller. But Call of Duty works well with the BackBone, and if you're playing remote play, I would say stay away from multiplayer games because I kept getting delays when I played that multiplayer. I think it's maybe better if you're gonna play like go-through games such as like the Star Wars games, or like something that you're gonna like go through or something like that, or maybe God of War, maybe playing it from this. Maybe not so bad, right? When it comes to like delays and stuff. Or just use it for your phone games. So that's my thoughts on the PlayStation BackBone, and I'm really glad to get this because I had the Razor. My Razor broke. I had it in my bag, and some of the buttons somehow, like I think the bag got dropped or something, and the buttons got broken off. So I think with this one, I'm going to keep it in this box. I wish it had like some kind of carrying case that it came with, but it didn't come with a carrying case. And so I think I'll just hold on to the box, and when I want to use it, I'll take it out of the box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to try to make more unboxing content as I get things, and also be looking forward to some more art videos. We're going to be doing some more art this year. That's my goals for the year. So thanks again.